Is that you? You don't have to blink like that, silly. Can we see you? I think we can see you. Put this up here. Okay, so you were telling me about this picture. This picture is of a space shuttle launch, right? Tell me what's in this picture. Un. And that's your word for airplane too, right? Does it go up in space? What does it sound like? Okay, that's pretty cool. And so what else is happening? What else do you see in the space book? Oh, okay. That's an un. Okay. I'm not sure why airplane becomes un, but it does. Do you see what's that right there? What's that? Is that the moon? Do you see the moon too? Is that Earth? Yeah. They're traveling over Earth. And there are people in there, right? Look at those people. Are they floating? There's a man. And what's that? That's their food? Yeah, that's their food. They have different... Num num. Yes, they have different food in packets. You have food? What did you want, sweetie? Food? That's a pumpkin over there. You have apple? I think that's Mommy's coffee cup, and there are some squashes over there. Do you want to see the pumpkin? Daddy's going to make a pie from this pumpkin. I don't think we can bite the pumpkin like that, honey. It's just too hard. It's not an apple, is it? It's a big, round pumpkin. It'd be good for Halloween. Oh, no, we don't eat the stem either. Pumpkin. Yum. It's orange, though, isn't it? Yeah, it is. It's an orange pumpkin. But you can't eat it unless you open it up and cook it. I think Daddy's going to make a pie out of it, and then we can eat the pie. Yum, yum, yum. Would that be good? Pumpkin. What color is it? Oh, I don't think we eat that. Like that. Let's try another squash. Look at this one. This is another kind of squash. Oh, I don't think we can bite that one either. What color is this?
It's an un.
It's an un? I don't think it's an apple. I think it's a big squash. It might be a buttercup squash. I'm not sure. Oh, I don't think we do that. No.
Bun.
Bun? What's bun? What about this? It looks like a banana, but it's not, is it? No, we don't bite that one either. Do you want an apple? Want to bite an apple? Okay, we can bite an apple. I happen to have a yummy Honeycrisp apple right here. You want that instead? This is an apple. See? Those are squash. Squash.
None.
And that's not a banana. That's another kind of a squash. Bite? Do you want some?
No.
We don't have any banana. Oh, bless you. You sneezed. Is that what a sneeze is? Can you cough? Can you laugh? Can you cry? Cry? Can you look surprised? That's right. Oh, now you're yawning. Apple? No, those aren't apples. Those are squashes. You could have this apple.
Apple. No.
No, it's not. This is an apple.
Up.
Do you want Cheerios?
Up. Up.
I can't give you one of those because it's a squash. You can't bite it. It's too hard. That'll work, huh?